Hi children, how are you? Today I shall discuss about the time management during the examination. Now the first one is that you should reach the examination center at least before 30 minutes as it will lessen your anxiety and you will be not tired. Second point is that after reaching the examination center, you will look for in the outside wall or like that where the notice board are there and there is any direction in the notice board. Then go enter into the examination hall. You see again the sides of the wall there is any instruction is given, or if otherwise there is difficulty in searching for your seat, then you should go to the invigilator and she or he will guide you your proper place. So after getting your seat, you sit down for 1 minute quietly. Next, you will take at least more pen and pencils which are comfortable for you, as when there is actually no ink in your pen or a pencil is broken down, then if you search for pencil and pen to the others, then it will take more time and it will reduce your writing period. Next point is that you will get the copy by the invigilator. You write the name, your enrollment number, and if the name is not written, then you should write the enrollment number and the registration number of the year. After that, you will fold the copy by the method of folding, not by the scale. It will reduces the time. I shall show you in that previous video. Next point is that after completing your copy, you will see the question paper are coming, distributed to you. You take the question paper and you will see how the questions are distributed. What are the different types of questions are there? You will look at a glance. You will see there may be some long questions, it will require more time. There are short questions, it will require medium time. And if there are MCQs and enumeration, then it will get less time. So you calculate which one you should select first, and I will tell you that which one is easy for you and more convenient in writing and you are more confident, then you should start that group. You should complete one group, then you will switch over to the another group. So this will create no haphazard method and it will reduces your time. Suppose you will see the time is less, but your yet to be completion of the copy you require more time. Then do the flow chart. If you give the correct flow chart, it will give you the 70% marks. If you draw, then it will also give you the marks. So which one is easy for you? Then you calculate your time and you should write in that way. Next point, you should know that there is more writings, it will require more pages. So you will ask for the page and you will take more extra pages, because when you search for pages in different time, it will reduces your time of writing. So at least more pages you should take when it is not required for you. So during the submission of the copy, you should submit the loose papers which is not written by you. Thank you everyone for inspiring me to do this video.